What's going on, guys? It's David and
Karina.
And just in the past 30 days, I've been able to do how much? $52,556. And I'm actually going to be logging into my accounts and showing you proof of that 52,000. And I'm actually also going to be sharing the exact affiliate marketing campaign that I've used to generate those types of results. Now, my results are not typical. I am not in any way guaranteeing or suggesting that you're going to make 52,000 in 30 days. Obviously, I could give you the best campaign in the world, but if you don't follow the instructions with it, and I don't know what your work ethic is like, you basically need to send traffic to it the way I show you. So that all depends on you, what type of results you're going to get. I'm not guaranteeing any specific sales or anything like this, but if you want to copy my campaign, I'm actually going to leave a link just in the video description for you to be able to go ahead and check out the campaign, and you can actually copy the whole thing. In fact, there's multiple income streams in it. So now let's dive straight into the accounts. I actually want to show you exactly what came in. Another $2,000 commission came in today. Yesterday was a $4,000 day, and members in the group are having all kinds of results with us. In fact, I'm very proud of my team, and I want you to join my team. My team, just to give you a quick kind of overview, out of a leaderboard of 10 spots, 9 of them is me and my team members. That's why I want you to join my team, because I give you the exact campaign that I use and my team members use to be able to generate these types of results. This includes access to my YouTube videos, so you can actually leverage them to get traffic for yourself. I generate a lot of traffic from YouTube with my videos, and a lot of sales from YouTube with my videos. And I want to give you the same exact videos so you can actually leverage them in your business, so you can keep 100% of whatever traffic comes in, and you can also keep 100% of whatever commissions come in. On top of that, when you come in, when you click the link below, go check out the system, watch the webinar. There's, again, 3 simple steps. Click the link below, go watch the webinar. After that, you want to get set up, and by set up, I mean income stream number 1. There's multiple income streams here, 4 different income streams. I'm going to show you the results for all of them in a second. But I want you to get set up with income stream number 1 at the Vertex Live level. Why? Because that's the level that's going to qualify you to earn up to $2,000 commissions. It's a 100% commissions program, and you want to make sure that you're qualified to make those types of commissions, because my marketing campaign is going to help you with promoting that program. But if you're not qualified to earn those commissions, you're not going to be able to get anything, even if a sale does come in. So now let me jump straight into my accounts here. Let's just go here. Let me just first show you this. So as you can see, right now it's like what, 5:49 p.m. and just an hour ago, 2 hours ago actually, at 4 p.m. this commission came in, and as you can see right there, congratulations, David, you just made a $2,000 commission, as you can see right there. And this is why I want you to come in at the Vertex Live, because these are the commissions that you're going to be qualified to make when you're using my system to promote it. So now let's dive straight into the account here. As you can see, this is U1U Life, and just in the past 30 days, let me just scroll down here, I've been able to do a total of 28,425 just with this one income stream in exactly 30 days. I started this on September 19th, and today is October 19th. Now, if this was the only commissions I've generated, that would already be pretty impressive. But here's the thing, it's actually not. Because remember, I told you that with my marketing campaign that you actually get access to just below this video here, what you can do is you can actually earn multiple commissions with it. And this here, let me just refresh this. This is my shopping cart, as you can see. And these are other commission programs that also are included with this campaign that you can activate and earn additional commissions on. And as you can see here, September 19 to October 19, an additional $24,131. So if we add those two numbers up, let's just go here to the calculator. As you can see right there, 28,425 plus 24,131. That is a total of 52,556 for the last 30 days. Now, again, my results are not typical. I'm not in any way guaranteeing or suggesting that you're going to do 52,000 in 30 days. What I can tell you is this: you'll be using the exact same campaign that helped me generate these results. And on top of that, not only, it's not enough just to be able to use the campaign, but the traffic is one of the most important things. I personally like to use free traffic from Facebook and also traffic from YouTube. So I'm going to help you by showing you exactly click by click. This is why I want you to watch the webinar. So again, there's 3 steps to making this work. Step number 1 is you want to click the link that's just below this video and go watch the webinar. I explain exactly what type of traffic I use, how do I use it, what are the different income streams that you can make commissions on, and everything that you need to know. In addition to that, step number 2 is getting set up. Again, you want to join. I want you to join my team. Okay, my team personally, we've been kicking butt with pretty much all the different income streams, but especially with income stream number 1. One thing that they actually have a leaderboard, and 9 out of the 10 spots is me and my team. So I want you to join my team by clicking down below. You want to come in at the Vertex Live level. Vertex Live, remember that name, Vertex Live, because that's going to be the level that's going to qualify you to earn up to $2,000 100% commissions. Step number 3 is to drive traffic. And again, I show you how to do this on the webinar. And once you are in your system, once you have created your account and with my campaign, I also show you there how to do it. And I'm also going to invite you to a special webinar all about generating free traffic from Facebook. And in addition to that, you get the videos, you get the training for how to generate leads from Facebook for free. You also get the videos, obviously, for me to be able to generate traffic yourself with my videos. But also there's a secret software that I'm going to be including for you, which I'm not going to talk about in this video because I don't want this thing to be public. It's a secret software that I've been using to basically dominate leaderboards, make these types of commissions and stuff like this. And I want to include that for you because this is what the top dogs use. And if you're going to join my team, I'm going to hook you up with it. It's actually going to be included in the bonus pack. And in addition to all of that, like, I'm just giving you little snippets of what's included in this ginormous bonus pack that I've prepared for you. Again, to access all of this, here's what you need to do right now. Step number 1, click the link just below this video. Step number 2, get set up with income stream number 1, at least with income stream number 1, at the Vertex Live level. Vertex Live level. Step 3 is start sending traffic to your affiliate link, which I'm going to show you exactly how to do. In fact, I give you my videos so you can leverage them in your marketing. You even get some traffic included through a special deal that I've negotiated with income stream number 1. They are actually going to send you 200 visitors. And on top of that, you also get the secret software and some other bonuses too. So to recap, click the link below, go ahead, watch the webinar. It will explain everything you need to know. In addition to that, step 2, get set up with Vertex Live. Do that today. And step 3, start slamming your affiliate link with as many visitors as you possibly can, exactly the way I show you.